Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows covered in chocolate. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 24 large marshmallows, 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate, and any fun toppings like sprinkles or crushed nuts. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be crucial for setting your delicious treats. Finally, gently insert a lollipop stick or a sturdy skewer into each marshmallow, making them easy to handle for the next step. Now let's get that chocolate perfectly melted. For best results, chop your chosen chocolate, whether it's milk, dark, or white, into small, uniform pieces. This helps it melt evenly and prevents scorching. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. Aim for a smooth, glossy consistency, free of any lumps, ready for dipping. With your chocolate ready, it's time for the fun part. Dipping. Hold a marshmallow by its stick and submerge it fully into the warm, melted chocolate. Swirl it gently to ensure a complete, even coating. Lift it out and lightly tap the stick against the bowl's edge to remove any excess chocolate. While the chocolate is still wet, quickly add your favorite toppings, like colorful sprinkles or finely crushed peppermint. Once decorated, carefully place each marshmallow onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Now, for the setting process. You can let them set at room temperature for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, or pop them into the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes for a quicker set. Once firm, store your delightful chocolate-covered marshmallows in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or in the fridge for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.